Yeah. Very good evening to all the participants and respected resource person and resourceful person, Associate Professor Dr. Tirunahari UGANDHAR sir, working in Kakatiya Government College, Autonomous, Hanumakondo. Sir has huge experience in the field of plant sciences, especially molecular biology, biotechnology, tissue culture. So today, Sir is going to explain about the special type of chromosomes, lamb brush chromosomes, polytenic chromosomes, and other type of B chromosomes. Okay, sir, sir, even that, sir, start చేయండి. Sir, please start your session.
Special
Start చేయండి, sir. Okay, proceed.
genetical variability and structurally functionally different to the normal size of the chromosomes, which are found in a special organs of animals and plants. That is called a special chromosomes. These special chromosomes are which is a in some organisms there are special tissues in which chromosomes are undergoes structural specialization. Such specialized chromosomes, which includes, is called a three types of special chromosomes we are found in animals. That first one is also polytene chromosomes. Second one is a lamb brush chromosomes. Third one is called a B chromosomes or supernumerary chromosomes. These three chromosomes are which are especially in animals and also some type of the plants which are size structurally and also functionally different to the normal size of the chromosomes. That is important for the present in the present day. So that is a special types of the chromosomes are the discovery and occurrences of the structures observing by Fleming 1882, description by Ruckert in 1892, special types of the lamp brush chromosomes. Lamp brush means cleaning of the lamp-like structure. That is called a lamp brush. The lamb brush chromosomes, also salivary glands chromosomes, it all the diploid stage of meiotic phase in the oocytes of the salamander in gained nucleus of the unicellular alga acetobacteria. The structure lateral loops of DNA extends as a result of intense RNA synthesis. So this is a special parts of the chromosomes which occurs in a salamanders or oocytes of the salamanders. Salamanders also reptiles type of the. So this special type which have special characters and structurally differentiation. Then the specially in some organism there are special tissues in which chromosomes are undergo structurally specialization. Gained chromosomes are examples of polytene and lamb brush. Then also accessory chromosome is also example is called a B chromosomes. This is also three is also different structurally and also functionally also different organisms are there. So here the polytene chromosomes, lamb brush chromosomes and B chromosomes. The gained chromosomes are which are exceptionally enlarged and highly specialized food during some stages of life cycles, like a cycles of the certain cells easily visible under the light microscopes. So in the light, the polytene chromosomes are special types of interface chromosomes. During the interface means the between the two divisions of cell divisions, that stages of chromosomes which have structurally difference to the normal size of the chromosomes. that are large. These gained chromosomes are found in cells of salivary glands, also called a salivary glands of the Drosophila melanogaster and Chironomus larvae. And in the cells of bodies of larva stages of certain dipterans, they were first observed in the salivary glands, the Chironomus, and hence are called the salivary glands. The salivary glands means it can release of the salivas, which can be digested to the carbohydrates to amylase enzymes or amylase substance. Or amylo that is a special parts which is also structurally the polytene chromosome, also called a say lamp brush chromosomes. The polytene chromosomes are present in a distinctive pattern of transverse band. It consists of a dark color bands attached to the light color internodes. Here, a dark color bands and light color bands are there. That is also large size in structure. So they have a puff regions. So where the DNA has a uncoiled and a visible manifestation of a high level of gene activity. The bonds are mostly heterochromatin and the interbands are euchromatin, two types. The heterochromatin bands and euchromatin bands. The heterochromatin, most of the heterochromatin bands are there. But here, so this is also A, mRNAs are there. This is a mRNA. B, the chromosome puffs are there here. This is also chromosome puffs. The C is also chromonimeta. This so D is also dark color bonds are there. These dark color bonds are a mostly heterochromatin part. This D part, and E is also interbonds. Is also interbonds. These are all is also structure which can just one is also differentiation here. This part is also bonds structures. The chromonimeta, also chromomers parts are arranges to formation of the tubular knob shaped puffs are arranges. These puffs are arranges. But here these lamb brush chromosomes are the longest chromosome of all. Also, these longest chromosomes are found in the growing oocyte or a nuclei of a vertebrates and sharks or amphibians, reptiles and birds. So this as in invertebrate, several species of insects. So are the several number of the species which are examples of the lamb brush chromosome. But this is also very here they are starting, but this is special. Again, the polytene and lamprey 2 is also separate. So in the polytene, which are like clearly observation of the polytene chromosomes are here. This is also polytene. The polytene, these are also gained chromosomes, but relatively smaller than lamprey. Then the lamprey found in the larvae of certain dipterians. First, you study the poly. Poly means many. Tin means the bonds which can the such bonded chromosomes occurs in the larval salivary glands, midgut, epithelium, and rectum and Malpighian tubules. It excretory substances are especially present in the arthropod organisms, arthropods of the various genera, Drosophila, Sairia, and also Rhinocerosia, and also Chironomus. These three is also the other examples of the polytene chromosomes. In these larvae, the salivary glands contains a salivary cells so large in size that they can easily to be seen within the lens power of a dissecting microscopes. Under the dissecting high microscopes, we are observe the special type of the polytene chromosomes in the part of the mouth of Drosophila melanogaster. That is also housefly. This is also special. So they are composed of several strands of DNA inside, side by side, produced when the DNA undergoes many rounds of replication without separating. So they is composed several strands of DNAs are inside the side of the productions. In the same way, our chromosomes are linear model. So these linear model of the chromosomes which are present in the DNA segments. In the same way, the polytene chromosomes are undergoes many rounds of replication without separating. The strands present in bonds undergo local uncoiling called the puff. So these puffs are areas of high transcriptional activity. Puff means it is also uncoiled. Coil means so the coil and uncoiled two parts are present here. So this is also it first invested by the Beerman and Beher, 1954, who observed the numerous fine and fibrils on the ball behind rings of a chironomus and estimated that each chromosome contains 1,000 to 2,000 separate strands are present. These strands, which can is a strands name are a base to the strands, which are also called the polytene. It is a one type of the gained chromosome. It is a present in the salivary glands of Drosophila. Later, Gay 1956 observed strands 200 to 500 in diameter in section Drosophila salivary chromosomes. The individual fibers in bond and interband regions are similar in appearance, so that fibers are bonds exhibited to the considerable degree of a metaphase like foldings in the during the cell division of the mitosis and are a much more tightly packed structure. So this is also the was a first observed the Fleming in 1882. The name lamp brush was given by the Rookets in 1892. So these are the found in a oocyte. You know that the oocyte are a vertebrates, sharks, amphibians, and also called reptiles. And a few is also called birds as well as in the invertebrates. Then is Sapidia, Sepia, also in and several species of insects